Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. It is a braidless crochet style. Yes, it is braidless. It's beginner friendly. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. So I'm going to be using my Eco Styling with the black castor oil included. I'm also going to be going in and using the Eben Extreme Firm Hold as my main product for my ponytails. Of course, a right tail comb. You're going to need a crochet needle, scissors, foam, and rubber bands, of course. So I'm just going to be blowing out my hair. Currently right now I have a M.E.D.I.A deep conditioner, and I'm just going to blow that out. And now I'm just going to be sectioning off a little bit less of a half in the front of my head, so pretty much parting ear to ear. I'm going to section that off, and then I'm going to go ahead and put 2 ponytails in the back. Now once I get to the back, I'll clean it up some more with the even edge control, but this is just to, of course, create the sectioning. So I'm going to be creating 6 ponytails going straight across. Right now I'm just going to be cleaning up, making sure that those parts are nice and neat, and I'm using, of course, my even edge control to help create a slick ponytail and help with my parting, get those edges right. And yeah, this part is actually pretty self-explanatory. So now that I have created my boxes in the front, I'm actually going to go ahead and connect, of course, the loose ponytails to one ponytail back here. It's okay if it's a little puff ball, because mine, of course, cuts into a puff ball. If you have a little puff ball, it's okay. Don't freak out. I'm going to trace the perimeter of the ponytail with the edge control, and it doesn't have to be a whole bunch, just enough to, help it get slick. The ponytail low and also make it go inward. So I'm gonna show y'all once I put it into the ponytail. Show y'all what I mean. Yeah, I had to go change real quick. The shirt was just really doing too much for me, and it's really hot with this light. So this is what we have so far. And I've also connected my ponytails in the back just with another rubber band. So now we're gonna get right into first style number 1. I'll be using Water Wave braid by Zury, and it's a 3-time pack, and I actually bought 3 packs. I got this little baby here from Walmart. You can get this in the arts and craft area. I went ahead and opened 2 packs already, so this is a total of 6 bundles because the pack comes with 3 in it. So I have already separated them and just placed them individually. That way this makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker. So that's a little tip that y'all can use. So this part is honestly based on personal preference. I decided to actually connect 3 pieces at a time and actually crochet them together, and I just twisted the top and then just crocheted it through my hair. If you are able to get it through the latch hook and achieve this way that I'm doing, great, so be it. But if you're not able to, do not be discouraged. Just use either 1 piece at a time, or if you are able to do 2, do 2 at a time. But this is just personal preference. I like to just get stuff done, and this is just how I like to do it. Alright y'all, so we are all done with look number 1. I'm really digging it. This actually came to my head because this wasn't exactly what I was going to do, but once I put the ponytails in the front, and I was like, you know what, this is actually cute. So I got some really decorative little hair jewels. You don't have to use too much. I'm trying to see, it's like, oh, it's little elephants on it. But if you know me and now you know me, I like anything that's sparkly. I love glitter, I love diamonds, all that stuff. I'm just gonna put a few in there, and you don't have to do this. I just like to be extra, so. Just a little bit of Nairobi foam, just a little bit actually, just kind of help to keep them from being like, you know, really frizzy, and give it some natural shine. This is so cute. When you cut in a downward motion. I'm gonna cut off any little excess pieces. that I'm not really digging.